Hi all, welcome back to the online English classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. So, now we are moving to the last session of our lesson, A Visit to Grandfather. Today we are going to study the activities of workbook, page number 21 and 22. So, all of you get ready with your workbook, page number 21.
Section A, page number 21, Section A. Complete these sentences with the words in the box. We can see three words in the box. They are the pronouns. Which are they? I, we, you. And first question. Sarida, are dash feeling better? Yes, dash am fine. Thank you. Dear children, what's the answer? First one, Sarida, are dash feeling better? Here, someone is addressing Sarida. So, how can we write? Yes, if we are addressing someone, if we are saying about someone, if you are saying something to someone, we use you. So the answer, Sarida, are you feeling better? The answer, yes, dash am fine. Thank you. So Sarida is replying, dash am fine. What we use there? Yeah, very good. I am fine. Thank you. Sarida, are you feeling better? Yes, I am fine. Second question. Vivek and I play in the same team. Dash are friends. My dear children, what's the answer? Vivek and I. Vivek and I. There are two persons and I along with another person. What we use? Yes, the answer we. Vivek and I play in the same team. We are friends. Third one. I am very tired. Dash need to rest. I am very tired. Dash need to rest. I am telling about myself. So, we have to use the I. I am very tired. I need to rest. Fourth one. My sister and I missed the train. Dash took a bus instead. My sister and I missed the train. Dash took a bus instead. What's the answer? My sister and I along with my sister. So the answer is we. What's the reason? Because I. If I am with some other person, how we address? Yeah, instead of I and that person, we can use we, the pronoun we. Is it understood? Yeah, very good. Now, section B. Match each word in column A with a word that is opposite in meaning from column B. Dear children, you can see two columns, section A or column A, column B. So, in column A, there are some words. 6 words are there. And in column B, you can see the opposites of words from column A. You have to find out the opposites and match it. Shall we do? Yeah. First one, old. Old. What is the opposite of old? You can find the answer in column B. What is it? Yeah, new. Section B, the answer option B, New. Old, new. Second one, wet. What is the opposite of wet? Yeah, it is dry. Wet opposite dry. Third one, tall. What is the opposite of tall? Tall opposite short. C option, short. Tall, short. And fourth question, empty. The answer is already given. Option A, full. The opposite of empty, full. Empty, full. And fifth question, clean. The word is clean. What is the opposite of clean? Yes, it is dirty. The opposite of clean, dirty. Option E, dirty. And sixth question, laugh. What is laugh? Yes, smiling loudly. That is laugh. So, what's the opposite of laugh? Yes, very true. The answer is cry. Option F, cry. Laugh, cry. Next page number 22, section C. Make sentences about these pictures. Use the words in the box. Children, you can see some pictures below. Seeing those pictures, you have to write a sentence about the picture. Some action words are given in the box. You can use those words to make the sentence. Okay? So first picture, see the picture and the answer is already given. Here a boy, he is drawing. So draw is the word from the box that is taken, and here it is written, Cyan draws a picture. Cyan draws a picture. Okay. Likewise, we have to write the other 3 sentences seeing that picture and using the action words from the box. Get ready. See the second picture. There we can see a boy and a girl sitting on the dining table, and they are eating their breakfast. So how can we write? We can give them names. Rohit and Anu eat breakfast. We select eat from the box. Okay. So how is it written? Rohit and Anu eat breakfast. All of you write. Rohit and Anu eat breakfast. See the third question. We can see 2 girls. They are in the playground, right? And they are playing. So how can we write, children? Which word do you select from the box? Which word? Yes, it is play. P-L-A-Y. So how can we write the sentence? First of all, give a name for the girls. Anu and Minu play in the ground. How can we write? Anu and Minu play in the ground. Anu and Minu play in the ground. And next, fourth one. What can you see in that picture? Yes, we can see a boy sleep. Right? Yeah. So his name, Vinu. And we can write, Vinu sleeps on the bed. Vinu sleeps on the bed. So we take the word sleep from the box. Sleep is an action word. So Vinu sleeps on the bed. All of you take down. Vinu sleeps on the bed.
Dear children, today we have studied pronouns. That means the exercise of the section pronouns, and we matched the opposites with the words. And we have also done making sentences using the pictures and the action words. Right? So, you have to practice it doing from home. That's all for today. We shall come back with the review of our lesson, A Visit to Grandfather. Thank you.